Hey there, I'm Sadie.
I'm Chris. We're Fork and Path, and we're here to help you get confident in the kitchen.
That's right, and today I'm super excited. We're gonna take you on a cook along while we make some mulled wine.
This is one of our favorite holiday drinks. We do it every year, and we always batch it out so we can just reheat it because it's absolutely wonderful.
So good.
The recipe we're making today is actually a modified version of Ina Garten's mulled wine recipe.
She's a national treasure, so if you haven't checked her out, you should. And we've batched it as well, so.
Oh yeah.
Let's pop those bottles.
Okay, so the first ingredient in our mulled wine is, well,
Wine.
So we're gonna use 2 bottles of a nice, easy drinkable red like a Cabernet Sauvignon. And remember, ingredients matter in mulled wine.
That being said, because you are gonna be spicing the wine, don't go crazy and get a really nice bottle of wine. Easy drinker.
Yep, we like the Apothic Red for this. It works real well. So our next ingredient is apple cider. And continuing with the ingredients matter portion, make sure you get a nice one.
Yep, and we like a nice cold pressed cider.
Better flavor. So our next ingredient is orange juice. And we like to freshly squeeze our oranges so we get a little bit of that orange oil from the peel in there as well for flavor.
And I don't like pulp, so we also always strain the pulp out, and we've already done that for this step.
Our next ingredient is orange peel. So what I did is peeled half of each of the oranges before I juiced them. That way we can use them in the same recipe.
Yep, and when you're zesting oranges and doing strips of this, you want to make sure you're not getting a lot of the white pith in. It should be mostly just the skin.
Next up, we're gonna add a little bit of clover honey to this.
Honey.
Ah. Next up, we're gonna add a little bit of brown sugar, which just gives a little depth to the sweetness. We like to add a little bit of ginger to our mulled wine, which makes it just a little bit spicy.
Perfect.
Our last ingredient is going to be our mulling spice sachet, which includes
star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks.
We like to wrap these up in a sachet and tie it. That way you don't accidentally scoop out a little clove into your mulled wine, which does happen.
Yeah, it's not good. Nice package.
And then you can just drop it right in there.
And then we're gonna go ahead and turn on the slow cooker and just let all of this mull at low for about an hour.
Now that our wine's all hot and mulled, it's ready to pour.
And then we always garnish with cinnamon stick and a zest of orange.
There you are, my dear.
Thank you.
And for me.
Sláinte.
Wet. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video.
And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more great cooking tips and content. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up because that helps us.
Sláinte.
Sláinte.